Here we have this 19-plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Comes with the LED headlights and the black kidney grills in the centre with the black splitter at the bottom. We've got the M Performance kit on this vehicle. Making our way around, you can see we've got the 19-inch BMW alloy wheels with the M Sport brakes with the blue calipers. We've also got the M Sport suspension. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. Black roof rails with the black wind mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded door handles with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top with the spoiler. Onto the rear, you can see we've got the twin pipe exhaust to the left hand side, and we've also got the split tailgate there where the glass does also come up instead of the tailgate. This car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we just take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the Isofix points, armrest in the centre, vents for the passengers just there. On the door we've got the electric windows with the door handle just there. Onto the front we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather, and there is a look at those just there. The seats are adjustable on the side here. Onto the door we've also got the electric windows with the electric mirrors and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. So as I take a seat inside, turn this vehicle on. This is a keyless start, so as I put my foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle starts up like so with no warning lights on the dashboard. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side with the paddle shift, and we've also got the Bluetooth and volume with the paddle shift on the right hand side. Onto the main screen you'll be able to see we've got the satellite navigation, we've also got the Bluetooth media, we've got the DAB radio as well with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go onto the menu, go into my vehicle, go up to the top to vehicle settings, and on lights you'll be able to change the interior lighting from sport to classic. I'm going to keep it on the sport for now. We've got the dual climate control here with the air conditioning. We've also got the heated rear window just there, and you can change the heat with this dial or that dial there. We've also got the automatic gearbox, so if I just pop this car into reverse, you'll be able to see we've got the rear reversing sensors just there on screen, popping it back into neutral, making it safe. We've also got the different drive modes, so if I just press this Eco Pro, comes up on screen all the different modes in which this vehicle can be driven, and it does also come up in the center of the trip there. We've got the dial for the screen with the manual functions, handbrake, and we've also got the leather armrest there as well. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.